Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome po sa aking YouTube channel. Ang isi-share ko po sa inyo ngayon ay ang naging bakasyon ko sa Singapore last 2018. Sana po ay mag-enjoy kayo sa panonood ng aking video.
Look up, let's welcome Chucky, our bantam rooster. Chucky, you can come out now. Oh, here he comes. Whoa! Let's give Chucky a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. That was a nice appearance. Some of us may think that chickens cannot fly. Chucky here has proven otherwise, okay? He's going to fly back home instead. Bye-bye. All the way back home. Thank you. Now we're going to continue the show by highlighting the natural behaviors of our high-seen macaw. Anytime you're all set, Gaia? Now will be a good time. Where is he? Oh, here he comes. Whoa! Okay, everyone look back once again because two more of his friends will be joining him. Here comes our beautiful scarlet macaws. Wow, that was a nice appearance. Oh, okay. Okay, that one overshot. I hope he comes back. Alright, now like you can see, we have attached some fruits and nuts to this tree. So after feeding in the wild, parrots like them would fly to rocky surfaces just like these to lick up on clay or trees. Goes! Wow, for the close feed by the other toucan. Now these are total toucans, everyone. The largest in the toucan family. Very easily recognizable by that bright orange beak. Okay, let's watch them fly to the center, volunteer. Great job. Now despite having large beaks, toucans, they remain agile in flight. So to help demonstrate that, Azza will be tossing one fruit each way up high. Let's see if the birds are able to catch it in mid-flight for us this morning. Okay, make way for us. Oh, excuse me, excuse me. You can get your cameras and videos all set already. Focus it around that area. Anytime all set. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up goes the fruit. Whoa! Good catch. Okay, let's watch the other toucan. Some final adjustments. Up, and away! Whee! Wow! Oh, that was a fantastic demonstration there. That was almost a vertical catch. You want to say hello? Hello! That was clear. What's your name? Amigo! Did you catch that? Amigo. One more time. Your name? Amigo! Wow, that's such a cheerful voice. Now, Amigo, how else can you greet all these nice people? How are you? How are you feeling today? Fine, good, that's nice to hear. Amigo is a very smart parrot and he's going to count from 1 to 10. Okay, listen, count in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, wow, that was a perfect 10! Hi, Kelvin. Oh, thank you. I recognize him. Everyone, this is Big John, our sulphur-crested cockatoo, one of the veterans in the bird show. Believe it or not, he's more than 50 years old. 50. Okay, I think he wants to say something. You want to say hello? Say hello? Say hello? Alright. It's okay, we go back to Amigo. Where were we? Oh yes, we were counting. Amigo here can also count in a second language.
What language?
Okay, 1 to 10, but this time he will do it in Chinese. Big John, he's not even using the microphone. Okay, I'll give you one more chance. You want to say hello? Say hello. Hello. Ah, there you go. Okay. Now that you have said hello, can we go back to Amigo. Shh. Okay, he's going to count, right? Right. Amigo counts in Chinese. A big hand for Amigo! Big John is still screaming. Okay, shh. That's how loud these cockatoos can be, okay? Amigo is going to do some singing. If you scream, you cannot stay on stage, okay? So I need you to be as quiet as possible. Is that okay? Alright, Big John? Right. Alright, now Amigo is going to move on to singing. The first song he'll be singing for us is a local children's song. A big hand for Amigo, ladies and gentlemen. And you know what? I think I can't concentrate with Big John screaming on my right side here. So backstage, can you please send someone out to take Big John back? Thank you, Kelvin. Can we say bye-bye, Big John? Alright, so he has just shown you how loud these cockatoos can be, okay? If you happen to own one as a pet, this can disrupt your sleep, okay? And even disrupt your neighbor's peace, okay? So let's go back to Amigo, shall we? Where were we? Okay, singing. Second song is a song that originates from Indonesia, Rasa Sayang. Rasa means feel, sayang means love. It's Rasa Sayang. Rasa Sayang. Oh no, wait. We sang that song already. Rasa Sayang. But before he sings, is there anyone celebrating a birthday by any chance? Where? Oh, I see. I tried to 1, 2, 3. Too many already. How about the center? Birthday? Okay, and birthday today? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you from Amigo. Good morning, Vicky. In fact, great-pied hornbills, they are one of the largest flying hornbills that you can find in this region. We'll be coming closer to some of you. Oh. Now in the wild, when the female hornbills nest, they would look for holes or even cavities in trees. So everyone, we have a hut with a nest box. Yeah? The nest box is similar to what we would give our hornbills to nest, right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Now I'll be making my way up the aisle. Everyone sit down. No sudden movements, okay? Let's go. Vicky? Wow, cool, isn't it? Alright, we will be coming very close to some of you. Remain seated. Triggers. Thank you. Look, she's inspecting the nest box right now, and if she likes it, she's gonna hop right in. Sound tech, you might want to bring down my volume just a tad. I feel a little feedback coming. Thank you. Okay. Do you like the nest box, Vicky? Oh, I think that's a yes. So what happens in the wild female great-pied hornbill? So if you remember, the female hornbill is inside, the male hornbill will then have to find food to feed the family. Alright, in fact, he has to do this for 3, sometimes up to 4 months. Now in fact, the bird park has no landing. Take 2. Much better this time. Our hornbill, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful flight by Kaya and Vega, everyone! Now with powerful wing flaps. Oh! Talk about stage fright. That's quite crowded today. Usually in the weekdays, it's not as crowded, okay? So we'll give her a few seconds to... She's flying the other way around. Oh! What do you say? You want Vega to fly through? Okay, hooks up everyone, a bit more to that side. Alright, Kaya, you watch Vega fly. Off she goes. Well done! Let's give Vega a big hand! Oh yes! She's very proud of herself. Looking like that. Hold on. Yep. Okay, one last try. You know what? I'm not gonna force her. She's not gonna take off. Can we give her? That was one the way. Can we give him a louder round of applause? Vega, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, just assist her to close her hands. Okay, Sassy. Good. Okay, don't move. Smile. Put it down. Close your fingers. Yes, thank you very much. You have just got himself a free drink. 免费的饮料。谢谢。Let's give her a big hand, everyone. One more volunteer. Somebody else. Oh, so many hands now. Wearing orange, though. Whoa, good. Okay, what do you do when you see money? Oh, she picks up the money. Quickly, Sassy, come back home. Everyone, look where the money goes, okay? Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, girls and boys, for our grand finale, there will be more birds joining us on stage. Let's get started. Birds from Africa, our great white pelicans. Birds from Asia, our spot-billed pelicans. All the way from Eastern Europe, let's welcome our Dalmatian pelicans. Hurry up, guys!
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Back home, there will be a photography session happening right here.
Maraming salamat po sa panonood. Sana po ay nagustuhan ninyo ang aking video. Please subscribe if hindi pa po sila nakapag-subscribe. And hit the notification bell para updated po sila sa mga susunod po naming video. Thank you and God bless.